Shower principle is pretty simple. I just got some Schedule 40. It consists of a 3-way on this end, a 90-degree right here, a T right here, and the T is tall, goes down to the ground. You see the shower curtain on it. This piece goes directly down to the truck bed or the tailgate, and then I have a piece that's across here. I ran this piece across here to keep it all stable, and if you'll notice on the ends I velcroed these guys to the, what do you call those things? Whatever they are, I velcroed them to them. And then this one simply goes down there. And then I have the geyser system. That's my 1-gallon shower. And we have a really nice shower. We have a really nice seat. You can actually sit down and actually take a shower. And then I finish it off with a piece of Ipe down at the bottom. Of course, make sure you use only the best soap that's biodegradable and nature friendly, and hey, that's it.